right, another quick mod is the H4 Oxido bulbs. I think I put Oxidos in basically everything. Got them in my job, all my scooters, everything. I like them. They're inexpensive, 50 bucks for a set, and they're really good. So all it takes is 2 picks or flatheads or whatever, push down, and these indentions, pull the cluster out, headlights are right there. It's just a direct bulb swap. So you pull the rubber boot, there's 2 metal clips, pull the bulb out, put the new bulb in, put the 2 metal clips back, boot back around, plug them in. I got a HPS muffler, I don't know what they call it, can, for an XP, Rev XP, 600 E-Tech or 800. I got it on eBay, $120. Had some scratches because it had a muff pot on it, so I just recoated it with, they come silver, I recoated it with some BHT, high temp, whatever, very high temp from, you can get at the auto parts store with silver. So it matched the old coating, and it's ceramic coating. So I'm curing it. This is the 09 600 E-Tech. I got the thing for $120. I think they're like $450 new, and VHT is $15 for a can. 17 millimeter wrench is needed. You've got 2 springs there, 1 spring there. I have my handy spring puller tool. I will put a link in the description. They actually seem silly, but the bend is great, and the way they're flat on one side, it's flat on this side, and it's got like more curve on this side. Very good on 2-stroke dirt bikes. Don't think there's a spring on that. And they're just good for any of the exhaust springs you deal with. I think this has a spring right there. I was gonna say, I thought there was a spring on one of my scooters. Yeah, I think the Aero pipe has one. Anyway, so nothing to it. 17 mil, those 2 springs at the top at the collector or whatever, spring down there. I think that is all. If you look at the muffler, you got spring. All right, we'll see how it goes, but this is my $1,600 sled here that runs great, new motor. Sleds weren't really selling in Michigan, so I lowballed.